Hi guys, welcome to Hatirare's YouTube channel. My name is Sinikiwe Kademaunga, but a lot of people know me as Nikki. That's the name that I use online. I'm a social worker by profession. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content creator. I'm a disability rights advocate. Like, I do a lot of things, guys. But these days I'm doing content creation full time. So a bit of background about me. I was born in a family of 5. I was born with a disability. I'm the last born in my family. I was raised by my grandmother. We used to live in Gandanzara. It's a rural area, but I was raised by such a wonderful woman. My grandmother raised me in a very normal way. She never saw my disability. I remember growing up just doing chores like any other child. I used to be beaten if I do something wrong. Like, I just had a very wonderful childhood. Unfortunately, I lost my grandmother in 2007 when I was in Form 1, and then I had to move to Harare to stay with my brother, who was the firstborn in our family. So that time I lost my confidence just a little bit until the time when I went to university. When I went to university, I also didn't have much confidence because I just felt like I looked different from everyone else. My self-esteem was really low. So at university, that was really my turning point, to be honest, when I was at university, because I had time to reflect and just to think about who I am as a person, despite my disability, outside of my disability, who I was as a person. So I decided to start a blog. Back then, blogs were really a thing. So I decided to start a blog. The name of the blog was Life in the Shoes of a Short Girl. So I blogged for quite a while, I think maybe for a year, but I started to feel demotivated because I felt like I wasn't creative enough. I'm not a creative writer, to be honest. So I felt like I wasn't creative enough. And secondly, I wasn't seeing the revenue coming when it comes to blogging. But I'm someone who used to watch a lot of videos, a lot of YouTubers, and I got really inspired. That's the time when I thought of starting my own YouTube channel, which I named Life in the Shoes of a Short Girl. So I moved from blogging to vlogging. The reason why I decided to start vlogging, which is like making videos online, it was because I used to receive a lot of questions from people. So, Sneaky, how do you eat? How do you bath? How do you write? How do you do this? And for me, I thought to myself, instead of responding to each and every person like one by one, why can't I just create a platform where I post short clips of me doing certain things? And also, like I said, I used to struggle with my confidence a lot. So I thought, let me create a platform where I can inspire other young girls with disabilities out there that you can live your life fully to your maximum potential despite the disabilities that you might have in life. So that's why I created that platform. So I started posting my videos, vlogging, going to campus. Since that time I was a student. So I started the channel in 2017, but then I disappeared a bit online, and then I started being serious again in 2020. That time now I was back in Zimbabwe, so I started vlogging again. Such a beautiful journey. I really enjoyed vlogging. Vlogging is something that I can just do without much effort, without thinking too much about it. So yeah, but obviously in each and every industry, in each and every in each and every platform, there are challenges that comes with that. I think mostly my challenge is in Zimbabwe there are not a lot of people who do vlogging. There are a lot of Zimbabweans on YouTube, but a lot of them, they do skits, they do, like, they have channels which does like news and other different things. But when it comes to really like vlogging, lifestyle content, there are really a few vloggers, and a lot of them, they really have like, they struggle with subscribers, even views as well. So I can say that's one of the challenges, that in Zimbabwe, lifestyle content is something that is still lacking, especially on YouTube. I can see a lot of people doing lifestyle content on TikTok and on Facebook, but on YouTube, it's only a few people. So I think that's the first challenge. And then the second challenge, guys, internet connection. Stable internet is something that I'm really struggling with as of now. because where I'm staying is sort of like a rural setup. So having like proper Wi-Fi connection in a rural setup is really a challenge. It's really a challenge. So like I said, like vlogging is something that is really not that familiar in Zimbabwe. So you can imagine walking around with your phone vlogging. It's just something that is really difficult. I'm someone who really struggles to vlog in public, because I feel like people, they just look at you, people, they don't really understand what you are doing. So I think those are my most two challenges that I'm facing in this industry, but it's doable, guys. I'm really grateful for them and very proud of myself for the platform that I've built, because now I think I'm on 83,000 subscribers, and it's something that I'm really grateful for, and I'm so proud of myself that I've managed to create such a big platform doing lifestyle content, guys. In Zimbabwe is really a big thing. I think my last words is just to other people out there who want to do lifestyle vlogging. I just want to say, be yourself. Be yourself. If you just be yourself and put out content without like going out of your way too much, just do you, guys. If you're someone who doesn't really go out, post that content whilst you're in your house doing certain things. I'm telling you, you get views. There are people who can relate to that kind of content, because vlogging is all about people relating to your content. So if you fake certain things and what not, it becomes so difficult for people to really relate to your content. So that's my advice to someone who's out there thinking about, oh, lifestyle in Zimbabwe, lifestyle content in Zimbabwe is not a really big thing. Just start. You get your own views, you get your own subscribers. Just start. I hope this video is a reminder, and this video is a motivation for you to start your own YouTube channel. If you just be yourself and put out content without like going out of your way too much, just do you, guys. If you're someone who doesn't really go out, post that content whilst you're in your house doing certain things. I'm telling you, you get views. There are people who can relate to that kind of content, because vlogging is all about people relating to your content. So if you fake certain things and what not, it becomes so difficult for people to really relate to your content. So that's my advice to someone who's out there thinking about, oh, lifestyle in Zimbabwe, lifestyle content in Zimbabwe is not a really big thing. Just start. You get your own views, you get your own subscribers. Just start. I hope this video is a reminder, and this video is a motivation for you to start your own YouTube channel. Don't listen to people telling you that, oh, YouTube is flooded, blah 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 blah. I'm telling you, guys, there's a space for everyone on YouTube. So just start. So yeah, guys, I think that's all that I had for you. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, subscribe to Hatirari channel, hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share, guys. Make sure that you engage in the comment section below. If you have any other more questions for me, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.